Hi, this is Tony from Gate Crafters, and we're talking about maintenance on driveway gate openers. Driveway gate openers are exposed to the elements unlike any other appliance that you have in your house. Therefore, maintenance is very important. We're going to go over the maintenance on this Estate Swing ES1000. This is a very typical gate opener, and these maintenance procedures can be applied to almost any linear actuator gate opener on the market. First, we're going to talk about what problems may occur from improper gate opener maintenance. Now let's get a close-up of this and let me start showing you. One of the maintenance items that most often gets overlooked on a linear actuator is lubricating this screw drive. This screw drive is attached to the motor on this end, and this high-density nylon nut rides up and down the screw drive to push the piston in and out. When this becomes dry and non-lubricated, it produces extra resistance, and then the motor starts going to slowing down, and also you could have some obstructions during your cycle where it believes it's hitting something, but it's actually not. It's just feeling more resistance than normal. So the Estate Swing model gate openers have the ability to lubricate that quite easily. First of all, you take a screwdriver and you loosen this screw right there, and this end just pushes off. Then this limit switch track will pull out, and you can just place it to the side, exposing two holes in the bottom of the arm, one here and one there. You want to run your piston all the way out, so when you lubricate inside this hole, it's going to spray onto the screw drive. If it's been a while or you are currently experiencing problems, you're probably going to want to do this 2 or 3 times in a row to correct your problem. If you're on the regular biannual schedule and you're doing this to prevent problems, one shot for 1 second in this hole is done. Close it back up. It's about a 10-second procedure. So if you're having problems with it, or it's been quite a while since you've done it, you're going to spray the lubricant in this hole for 1 second, and you're going to open and close the gate 3 or 4 times. Then repeat that process about 3 times. We don't want to have too much lubricant in it. We want to have just enough, and we want it spread evenly. So a 1 second shot, run it back and forth. If you're doing it every 6 months, just do that one shot, put it back together, and forget about it. The natural operation of the gate opener will distribute it. Once you're done, the track slides back in. It just pushes in. The nut pushes on the end, and then you just snug this back down. That maintenance is complete at this point in time. If your arm is severely obstructing, you should go directly to the famous Blaster Garage Door Spray Lube. This is a dry tack premium lube that will last a long time on this screw. Won't be affected by heat. Now let's talk about other lubrications on the gates. Okay, so to lubricate the screw drive arm, which is really important to do, I'd say probably 4 times a year, we're going to use WD-40's Specialist water resistant silicone lubricant. We want to use this for 2 reasons. One is it's water resistant, so it'll stay on. The other one is it's safe and friendly to the scraper seal that keeps liquids from going inside the arm. We're going to simply spray it down. A little saturation. As you can see, it spreads and covers the whole arm. Just to get the excess off, we'll just wipe it along the bottom. And that should be set. Now we're going to take a quick shot to the pivot points. Let it soak in. And then let's go to the hinges. As in most good quality gate hinges, there is a Zerk fitting or a grease fitting on this. What we're going to do is use a standard automotive grease gun to attach to it and fill the cavity up with grease. You push it on and pump the handle. By performing this quick and inexpensive periodic maintenance to the hinges, the brackets, and the screw drive, your system will work more reliably and last longer. Thank you for viewing in to Gatecrafters Tech Tips. We'll see you next episode.